Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Xbox 360 Connect. Okay, so let me tell you about this story, okay, before I give you the link and you can try this yourself. You don't even need to print this out, okay? You can actually use this video if you want to, and while we're talking, you can try to tuner your Connect 360, okay, while we're talking, so you can, do what you want to do. But yes, so I digress. Zoom in, it's like this. Maybe this is better. I don't know. Or you could pause it here, or you can bring it like this. Either way, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. But definitely listen. So peep game this, okay? So I got this 360 Connect, right? And it's yeah, this thing needs a thing that sits on the monitor. Okay, I don't got no TV here. Okay, we need zero latency on these monitors. Okay, I need to get a attachable thing that is on this Kinect. Okay, then I needed to get a calibration card, which God knows I don't know where that even came from. The thing I got this thing from eBay, and it did not come with no calibration or a card or a actual race card. It didn't come with anything besides the Kinect. Okay, and then not only that, I needed to buy an adapter for the Kinect because I have the original 360. And if you don't know, the original 360 does not have the Connect port for it. So you have to buy a whole nother outlet, plugger upper. So yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, definitely. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I needed this Kinect calibration card to actually tune the Kinect for it to work. Now, granted, it does for me, it took a little bit to get it calibrated with this method. If you're using a phone, make sure you turn the brightness down, or a little bit up. And if it says like, go closer or go back, just follow those steps, and eventually you're going to be able to have it tuned. Okay, or you can print this out in a PDF as well. I mean, print this out. You can also print this out as a PDF or a PNG file. So you can just right click on it once you get to this and then save as and then send off. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Shouts out to the guy who actually, put this out there, Joseph Turley. Yo, he's a legend for real. I went on Bing and legendary Bing, 10 out of 10 legendary. So definitely, shouts out to him, Joseph, Joe, you already know. Put the calibration card on the internet so we can get the info. Anyway, hey, thank you so much. Let's get it. Let's go. If this video helped, yeah, you already know. Peace.